Hello children, good morning. So here I am with a beautiful poem for you from your English Bal Bharati textbook. The title of the poem is The Bridge. The Bridge is a beautiful poem written by Christina Rossetti. The poem is on nature, and through this poem, the poetess is asking us to love the nature, to preserve it and to nurture it, for nature is important in our life. In this hectic schedule, man hardly takes time to observe the nature. But I am sure after this poem, after you have learned this poem, you will surely fall in love with the nature. So here we go. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the sea. But the clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Boats sail on rivers and ships sail on seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Children, in this poem, the poetess compares the rainbow to a bridge on a treetop which links to the earth and the sky. She says the ships and the boats that sail across the sky and the rivers are very beautiful, but the clouds that sail across the sky are much prettier than these. So in this fourth stanza, the poetess has mentioned a few things like boats, ships, cloud, seas, sky. She says, no doubt, it's a beautiful sight. The boats are very beautiful to see. The ships are equally beautiful to see that sail and travel on the rivers and on the seas. But the poetess says the clouds is more prettier sight and soothing for our eyes. It is comparing the beautiness of the boats and the ships that sail on the rivers and the seas with the clouds that float across the sky. Hope you have understood the 4 lines, children. Try to by heart these lines. Further, the poem says, there are bridges on the rivers as far as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Look at the rainbow below. It is so beautiful. The rainbow is a bridge. A bridge is made with the help of the tree tops. And the poetess finds that the rainbow, the bridges, the ship, the boats, they are all very beautiful. So, in our life also, we should take time to observe the nature. There is lot many things that we can learn from the nature. So kindly sing the poem and learn it by heart. And once you are done, try to answer a few questions. Like, first one, what sails on the river? The second question, where do the ships sail? Next, mention the things that you see in the first stanza. According to the poetess, what is prettier than the boats and the ships? Now coming to the rainbow, children, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. The colors of the rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The easiest way to remember is through the word Vibgyor. 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 So children, this is the image of Christina Rossetti, the poetess of the poem The Bridge you have just learned. If possible, try to draw a sketch of this poetess. For you, it will be helpful in your life to remember the works of such great writers. Thank you, dear children. Love you all. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Thanks to the dear parents of my lovely students. Please help them, cooperate them, guide them so that they make fruitful use of this Corona vacation. Stay at home, stay blessed. Goodbye.